Hello and welcome back to yet another episode of Philip Chuck's Beer. On Tuesday, my girlfriend and I are going on vacation. As such, I thought I would clean out the fridge a bit. What better way to do that than consuming the content therein? And as such, I'm going to attempt something I haven't done in quite a while. I'm going to try to chug 3 beers in a row. I am out of practice and I am out of shape. So presumably this will go great. One can only hope for the best. If I actually somehow manage this in under a minute, I will be astounded. Anyway, let's see. Oi. Well, 53 seconds. Nice, I'm satisfied. Also slightly in pain. Nice. Well, see you all next time. Bye.